Even though embattled, Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo was not able to attend the scheduled hearing. The Senate probe still centered on details and even an actual document regarding the identity of the local chief executive. While for the part of the authorities, they have set their sights on the possible mastermind behind possibly both illegal pogo operations in Tarlac and in Pampanga. Daniel Manalastas has the full details.
Same name, same birthday, but different faces. These are the entries in the set of documents Senator Risa Hontiveros sought to highlight in the resumption of the investigation on suspended Bamban Mayor Alice Guo's identity and the pogos in the Philippines. Hontiveros said she got these documents from the National Bureau of Investigation.
Is it a coincidence na may dalawang Alice Leal Guo na pinanganak on July 12, 1986 sa Tarlac? Is it a coincidence that this NBI clearance was applied for just a few days before the date of filing of the delayed registration of birth of the other Alice Leal Guo in Tarlac City? Or is this a case of stolen identity? Sino po ang babaeng ito na may pangalang Alice Leal Guo pero hindi kamukha ni Mayor?
I-presume natin na siya mismo, yung nasa picture, yan yung nagpunta sa office. So kung yung Alice Guo na yan, magkaiba naman kay Mayor, hindi natin alam kung yung pangalan niya ay parehas na parehas ang date. Ang mas maganda determine natin dahil yung fingerprint, magkakaiba talaga yan para ma-determine natin whether or not yung tao na yan at saka yung si Mayor ay magkaiba.
Guo was no-show during the hearing, but she sent a letter to the committee saying she believes she's not fit to appear as one of the resource person at this time, claiming her exposure to prolonged stress and high level of anxiety in light of what she called malicious accusations thrown against her had adversely affected her physical and mental health. The Philippine Statistics Authority, meanwhile, has this recommendation regarding Guo's birth certificate.
We already endorsed to the Office of the Solicitor General for the cancellation of the Colby, cancellation of the Certificate of Live Birth.
Solicitor General Menardo Guevara said they are seriously considering PSA's recommendation, but this will just be a part of a bigger legal action that they cannot publicly disclose at this time. Senator Lito Lapid, on the other hand, denied he has links to pogos, particularly in the raided Pogo Hub in Porac, Pampanga.
Ngayon, kasi po gusto kong patunayan dito sa hearing na ito, wala po akong kinalaman dito sa operasyon ng Pogo at hindi po nakapangalan ang lupang 10 hektarya dyan sa Pogong yan. Kaya po ako naghahamon dito. Kung ako napatunayan nilang kasali ako dyan, pwede ako mag-resign bilang senador. Dahil hindi ko po papayagan na masisira ang pangalan ko rito.
Senators meanwhile grilled the Porac mayor during the hearing.
Mayor, alam niyo ba na nagko-construct sila during the pandemic time o pinayagan niyo sila mag-construct during the pandemic time?
During pandemic po, dahil napaka-busy natin lahat sa pagsiserve po sa ating mga kababayan. Affected, lahat naman po tayo affected by the pandemic. Honestly, hindi na po kami nakakapunta dyan.
Kung tatanungin, Mayor, more so na dapat tayo maging mas alerto at alisto dyan sa area. Parang mahirap tanggapin na biglang parang kabuti na lang siya na lumabas dyan na walang nakakaalam.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.